Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a pair of 40-plus-year-old boots. Trent, tell us a little bit about these boots.
Okay, so this is like he said, an old pair of hiking boots. I have the card here from the wife of the owner.
That's a nice looking card too.
Yeah, nice little card. So give me one quick second. I'll just paraphrase it here and then we'll go from there. Hello, my cobbler friends. Thank you for agreeing to take a look at these boots. They were given to my husband by his father, who ran the summer geology expeditions for the North Carolina University system. Every summer, he would lead a group of students to northern Mexico, where they collected samples and then sent them to the labs of universities in Texas and Colorado. My husband used to go on these trips with his dad back when he was a little boy, starting at the age of 12. So he was given these, eventually he was given these boots in about 1976. So these boots were at least 1976. They had already given a few trips, as my husband remembers. Okay, and then it just kind of goes on from there. Anything you can do to bring them back will be greatly appreciated.
I think we can.
Yeah, this is going to be fun. So, without further ado, guys, let's get to it.
An old Vibram, made in USA. All right, so here's the midsole. It is rubber, and not only is it stitched, but all the way through the waist and around the heel, they've got these brass tacks in here. You don't see that very often, and I like that, so we're gonna do it back this way. All right, so these are a stitch down construction. At least from the front half, it is stitched down. There's some sort of half sole or a welt. We'll be able to tell once we get this off, but the front half is a stitch down. Now, here's the thing you have to know about stitch down. One, if you're gonna be out in the field, you're a hunting guide or you're a firefighter or something like that, big hunter, stitch down is great because it's great for different size feet. It breaks in quicker, it's comfortable, and it's also waterproof. Now, here's the thing you have to watch out about stitch down, and this isn't just you as the buyer, but even the people at the factory. If they don't leave you enough room on that, we'll call it the welt, but it's really the upper, then for a resole, it's really hard to be able to get in there and re-stitch it. So I don't know if these had ever been resoled. I'm guessing probably not. But there's not a whole lot of room for me to get my machine up there. So I'm actually gonna have to hand stitch this back on. And that's just one of the things you have to look out for. All right, it was some sort of like a half sole. It's the thickness of a thin piece of sole leather. But we're gonna go ahead and take this off and we're gonna replace it with a fresh piece. Heavy shank, nailed in, four nails. I like that.
So I just want to tell you guys a quick story. I know y'all like story time. So I was at church 2 weeks ago, and we like to sit up on the balcony of church. And, you know, the balcony kind of slopes down. Well, while I'm up there, I was paying attention to the preacher, I promise. But I'm looking down at these two guys that came walking in with their parents. And I would say both of the guys are probably in their 20s, you know, handsome guys. But I can see their heads. And while I'm looking down, I'm like, man, these guys are both in their 20s and they're balding on top. Not crazy balding, just a little bit of, you know, a little growth up there thinning out, and in their 20s. So, you know, it got me thinking again. You know, Heath and I have always tried to help you guys out, not just with shoes, but in any way we can. And that is why we continue to talk about the company Keeps. Guys, I've given you this stat several times already on this channel. Did you know that 2 out of every 3 guys will experience hair loss by the time they are age 35? That is a really, really young age. Now, what's great about Keeps is that it is a subscription-based service that helps men keep their hair. There's no visiting a doctor's office. There's no having to make an appointment and go in and sit down for an hour and then see a doctor, then go to a pharmacy. Nope, Keeps cuts all of that out. The great thing about Keeps is that you get quality expert care without even having to visit a doctor's office or a pharmacy. All of Keeps treatment plans are doctor recommended, and they're delivered straight to your door at about half the cost of a traditional pharmacy. Guys, whether you're looking to prevent hair loss, whether you're just trying to stimulate hair growth, or just take better care of your hair, Keeps has you covered. And another great thing about Keeps is they are there to help you 24/7. So they have a big network of expert medical advisors, prescribers, and care specialists to help support you in making your hair goals a reality. Guys, hair loss stops with Keeps. And to get a special offer on any of the Keeps treatment plans, go to keeps.com/Trent or click on the link down in the description box below. Again, guys, that is keeps.com/Trent. So just a reminder, like we said before, you know, the owner of these boots said they're several decades old. And as you can see, I mean, you know, they are in really, really rough shape. The smoothness of the leather on these is just really, really rough. I mean, it almost feels like suede right here. So there's not a whole lot we can do, but we're definitely going to strip these down. I can feel wax build up on these. I'm going to really, really strip these down. We're going to re-dye them, just make them look a little better, and you know, clean up these hooks and eyelets, and after that, you know, they'll be looking a lot better. So let's get to stripping these down. Don't it really want acetone absorbing into the old skin, so I'm going to double bag these things.
All right, we have wrapped up this pair of boots, and after breaking this sucker down, it almost reminds me of like a Nicks style constructed boot with that stitch down. But hey, speaking of Nicks.
Yeah, guys, if you haven't been following us on Instagram or getting our email blast, then you definitely need to check that out. So again, Heath and I did a collaboration with Nicks Boots. We are very excited. We have the finished boots in hand. And we've been sending out little sneak peeks of what they look like. Now, it's going to be towards the end of this month when we will show the final boot, and it is a limited run on boots. So if you want to be one of the first ones to find out the minute these drop, then you need to make sure you're clicking on the link in the description below. That will put you on the list, and that way you will be notified the minute these boots drop. Because again, it is a limited run, and you want to be one of the first ones to hear about it.
They're going to go fast.
They're going to go fast.
All right. So what did we do to this boot? The only thing that I think didn't look like a Nicks was it had the stitch all the way around the back. But it was that old school stitch down in the front, sole leather in the back, lots and lots of tacks and nails. This thing was built solid. So
they've been hiking in them for
and we did not want to change any of this. So we went back and just redid it the way that it normally would have been. Now, you normally see us use natural leather midsole, but we went with synthetic this time.
Yeah, like you said, we wanted to keep it original, and it's held up this long. Why change it? Let's put it back originally.
Yep.
So yeah, so like he said, just a lot of hand stitching on this one. Again, because it was a stitch down, and at some point they had just been sanded down so much on the toe, our machine couldn't do it.
And it could have been that way from the factory, because it did look like an original sole and original stitches. But that's sometimes what you get when you get a stitch down and they don't leave enough for the cobbler in the future. Yeah. But
I think they turned out looking good.
Absolutely. Don't ask us to hand stitch your shoes if you have stitch down, because I'm not doing it. We did it just for you for the video. But hey, I hope you liked it. Hit the subscribe button, give us that thumbs up, hit the notification bell.
Yep.
On the gram.
Show us some love.
Until next time, y'all have a good one.